Want to boost your immunity, improve your skin, and even slow down aging, all with one tiny fruit? Then you're about to discover the magic of Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. Amla is a powerhouse of nutrients and a staple in Ayurveda for over 3,000 years. Packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, fiber, and minerals, this sour green fruit may not look like much, but its health benefits are truly next level. Top 7 health benefits. Boosts immunity. Amla contains 20 times more vitamin C than oranges. This helps your body fight infections, reduce inflammation, and build a stronger immune system. 2. Improves digestion. The high fiber content in Amla supports digestion, relieves constipation, and balances stomach acids. Great for your gut health. 3. Enhances skin glow. Say goodbye to dull skin. Amla purifies blood and is rich in collagen-boosting nutrients, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Promotes hair growth. From reducing hair fall to fighting dandruff, Amla oil is a traditional remedy for stronger, shinier hair. 5. Supports heart health. Amla reduces bad cholesterol, improves blood circulation, and controls blood pressure, making your heart healthier. 6. Controls blood sugar. Amla helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great natural support for people with diabetes. 7. Anti-aging properties. Thanks to its rich antioxidants, Amla slows down aging, reduces cell damage, and boosts longevity. Amla may be small, but it's a giant in the world of health. Start including it in your daily routine and feel the difference from the inside out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips every week.